Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Coffee Mates Bagel subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you are using your iPhone or Android, so you can easily cancel your subscription. First of all, for Android users, you need to open your Android Play Store. Then you need to select your profile icon. Then you need to select payment and subscription from the drop down menu. Then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app, Coffee Meet Bagel app. Then you can follow on screen instructions, and in the very bottom side there is your option cancel, and you can follow screen instruction and you can cancel it very easily. If you are using your iPhone device, you can do one thing also. You can open your iPhone settings. You need to select your Apple ID. Then you need to select payment and subscriptions or subscriptions. Then you need to select your app, and which is like Coffee Meet Bagel app. Then follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it very easily. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.